RIDGID pipe patch starter systems include the main components you need to enter the pipe patching market. Pipe patching is an alternative option to completely digging or relining an entire pipe. This provides customers with a new option that can fix their drain lines in small sections up to 6 feet in length. It's an easy-to-learn process with a quick return on your investment, and RIDGID stands behind the product with professional service and support to ensure your success into this new industry. All of our starter systems will include products ranging from 100 foot of air hose, 250 feet of pull rope, which can be used to both pull your packer into place and to pull it out of the line, 2 quick links, which you can tie your rope to and allow quicker access onto your packer, a US to standard lockable air adapter, and the air regulator. This will help you manage the pressure to ensure that you're delivering the right amount of PSI to your packer. We also have containment tube, which is ideal for straight sections of pipe that are severely compromised and we need to prevent the packer from overexpansion. The other type of containment is the containment liner. This can be used when patching around 45s and 90s to ensure a nice smooth patch. Based on which kit you order, there will be 4 different options: 2-inch, 3-inch, 3 to 4-inch, and 4 to 6-inch. This will include the appropriate packer and a certain amount of push rods based on which kit you order. And will also include a carry bag for carrying up to 20 push rods, your packer, and other miscellaneous accessories to ensure one trip to the job site. RIDGID offers professional service and support to ensure success entering the CIPP or trenchless market with pipe patching. For more information about the RIDGID starter systems, please visit RIDGID.com or contact your local RIDGID dealer.